Creating a story for the episode app involves crafting an interactive narrative with characters, choices, and branching storylines. Here's a concise guide to creating an episode story. Download the episode app. Start by downloading the episode app from your device's app store. Create an account. Sign up for an episode creator account on the Episode Interactive website. Install the Writer portal. Visit the Episode Writer portal and log in with your creator account. Choose your story type. Decide whether you want to create a Limelight or Ink style story. These are two main art styles for episode stories. Character creation. Create characters for your story, customizing their appearance, names, and personalities. You can also use pre-made character templates. Scripting. Use the episode scripting language to write your story. The scripting language involves describing the character's actions, dialogues, choices, and scene transitions. Refer to the episode guides and tutorials for scripting help. Choices and branching. Create choices that affect the story's outcome. Determine how these choices impact the plot and character relationships. Art assets. If desired, create or commission custom art assets such as backgrounds, overlays, and character outfits. Episode provides an art catalog for creators to use. Preview and test. Use the Episode mobile app to preview and test your story as you write it. This helps you see how it will appear to readers. Publish your story. When your story is ready, publish it on Episode. Readers can find and play your story through the app. Engage with readers. Interact with your readers through fan mail and feedback. Consider reader suggestions and incorporate them into your story if they fit. Promote your story. Promote your story on social media, episode forums, and other platforms to reach a wider audience.